So McLovin, what are some good areas to look out for snake hunting?
Right here along the bank.
Along the...
up in the trees.
We're crossing the stream. See anything?
No.
You gonna go for this guy?
Yeah.
I didn't get a headshot. I didn't want to try to kill him.
Wait for him to come over here.
Terrible shot, but that was funny. Up in this area up here, this is perfect. And yet there's nothing.
Pretty much eaten up.
You gonna grab him with those things?
Should I?
If you want to. Ooh. We can still cook them up, get some meat off of them.
There's dinner.
Alright, that's backup if we don't get anything, right?
Yeah.
You know what? He might be coming up. Right there. Bro, is that a headshot?
He went under the log.
Didn't that look like a headshot though?
Yeah.
It might be too low. I don't know.
Oh, he's swimming out that way.
McLovin found something, heard something in the bushes here. Possibly a rabbit, possibly a snake.
Possibly, I can't find him.
Alright, we just saw a huge water moccasin. He just went in there. You think you can get him?
Where'd he go?
He went in the cove up there. You're gonna scare him, bro. He's still there. Did you get him? Yo, we got him. Sweet, man. Dude, bring him over here. Oh, nice. You need help? Dude, beautiful.
Yeah.
Sweet. Hold on to him hard.
Throwing venom everywhere. You ready to kill him?
Atta-way. You want me to kill him? Can we milk him?
I'm milking him right now.
Alright, let me shoot him in the head.
Look at that. That's a big.
Nice, you make me clean him off.
Watch out, don't let him bite you.
Alright, we just put him out of his misery real quick.
Nice. That's dinner. Let's go ahead and take his head off.
That should have done it.
Close.
That much.
There.
So let me hold that up.
Whatever you do, be careful, because that head will still bite you.
Yep, this can still bite
Rinse it
you.
off and
This
show
can
it to
still kill you. Check out the fang on this. This thing's lower. It's there. Here, here. I think I saw it.
There you go.
There we go.
There it is, right there on the tip of that.
Nice.
Dork. Let's go ahead and bury the head so no one else steps on it.
Yeah, tons of people walk through here. He's still moving around.
Still trying to
Alright, let's go. We're going to clean him and cook him up. Alright, we are heading off to find a good place to have a fire to cook this snake up. Let's clean him off. Alright, from the top, just start peeling down. Just get all around there.
Daniel.
What?
You cut it off literally. That's freaking. That's a fang right there. Dude. That's literally a fang.
Do you think so?
No, I know so.
Looks like I didn't cut off enough. See? Cut off behind the head a good bit just for extra safety. Dude, you could have died.
Could have.
Alright, yeah, slide him down. And then you bite that with your teeth and pull.
Nope. Not this guy. There's all your guts.
Someone's gonna love eating that. Snake tongs crushed his ribs. Savage. You look like Bear Grylls right now with... Alright, we're gonna have a fire in this little creek bed. I'm just gonna rub these sticks together.
Good form. Good form.
Oh man.
Need to rub a little harder.
Yes, feasting tonight.
It's about 2 pounds of meat.
Yeah. Never leave a fire unattended. Lay these out in the grass. Yeah, find some sticks we can skewer them with.
Yeah, just so you can see.
Alright, there's one. Check out all that meat. There we go. Here's one. See that? Beautiful. We have no seasoning on this at all. We're just cooking them like we cooked the last rabbit. Straight up over the fire. Straight natural flavor. Great wood, smoky flavor. Ow. Cooking's coming along just fine. Got a little burn on the edges. It's pretty good. Most of the meat's inside there anyway. We're thinking they're just about done. I'm going to sterilize my knife real quick. Just leave it over the flames. It should be good. So to check if it's cooked, you want to cut in the deepest part of the meat where it's going to be hardest to get cooked all the way to. It looks pretty well done actually, but I'm going to throw in the fire a little more. Just because these are known to have tons of parasites. Just to be safe. Just to keep urban hunters going a little longer. McLovin's taking a tester. There we go. How's it tasting?
Tastes a lot like chicken. Would be better with some seasoning.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, we think he's done. We hope he's done. Oh yeah, he's done. He's done for sure. The meat, you can slice into it really easy. That also shows that it's done.
How's it taste?
Kind of tastes like muddy water.
Yeah.
Snake never tastes very good to me, but it has tons of nutrition in it. And they're pretty easy to get. Cut, I'm not putting that in. This side will be pretty good. Now this part does not taste bad, honestly. The part right by the backbone of
The back strap?
yeah, the back strap. It doesn't taste bad at all. It's the thin skin on the outside, it's kind of burnt. Still holds a lot of that flavor in it. Alright, I'm gonna finish off this snake and we're gonna get moving. Alright, if y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Any comment?
Make sure to subscribe.
Attaboy.